What's up? It's your girl Lala, and we are back for another tutorial of our lip glosses. And I finally just launched my Etsy shop, so I'm gonna put the link down below. I will gonna add my lip scrubs and other things. So yeah, just support your girl and let's get to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody who liked my video and don't mind the fan and the TV computer. So if you guys hear me loud, just you know the deal. So if you know the base of the lip gloss, you could check it out. My first lip gloss tutorial. I'm gonna put the link down below. So I'm using the almond sweet oil, vitamin E, and glistening. So I'm really ran out of almond sweet oil, so I'm gonna use the castor oil basically. And what I do is, I forgot Versagel. I have one more Versagel.
That's blue.
No, it's Versagel, baby. So this is my last batch of it. So this is what you know that I do that on most of my video. Can you put your feet can you put your foot down? Got my Versagel. So the first oil I'm gonna use is almond sweet oil. So you can use any type of oil. I used it on my previous video. Now it's all ran out and stuff because I'm using my scrubs. So what I did is just eyeball it, like a couple drops or a few of them. I use vitamin E.
Yep.
And I'm going to swap it. I'm gonna use the castor oil for now because since I ran out of almond sweet oil, I'm gonna use castor oil. Not too much, cause like I use it. No, not yet, my eye. Like she likes to want to stir it out, but not yet. And then I'm gonna use glisten, a pure glisten, and I got these on Amazon. These three. Nope. Yes, just hold it. And I got the vitamin E oil on Dollar Tree, and I had to like maybe like I don't know, for a couple years. No, not yet, my eye. Not yet. So I'm gonna mix it very slowly
and gently and carefully.
And I'm let my little assistant, to hold it because I'm trying to teach her, and she's 4 years old. I'm trying to teach her how to make lip gloss properly, so you won't have to worry about making a mess. Like making the base, you don't have to just mix it real fast because it will be messy. So I'm just gonna mix it for a few seconds, and you see how it's not that clumpy, or it had no clumps, no water, like not watery, no. I mean, the base has to be like, it gonna be consistent, like the other lip gloss video. I'm not gonna knock their hustle out, but salute to them. Gotta make sure you have everything. When I mean everything, I mean everything. Like no clumps, no nothing. Just like a smooth, but I'm gonna put a little bit of vitamin E. And I'm gonna let her to mix it, and I'm gonna hold it. You guys see. Wait, you gotta let the camera, let the people see. So just mix it like this. Okay, I'm just let her just be We just started the show a little bit, but she's trying to play with it. But I think there's a little bit clumpy, so I'm let her to stir for a few seconds, and I'm gonna just do that in a few seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna use silver. Well, first I just like trying to mix. No, stop. Okay, Mike. I've tried to make, like, if you can see the consistency of our base. I try to put too many oils, but it's okay. You know, sometimes I will like make mistakes, but you know, practice makes perfect, right? So I'm gonna use winter. I'll put that a few times. And I'm gonna use silver. And I love how I mix those two like combined. I put too much. Okay. See how it looks. And I'm going to mix it all together. If you can see all the dust. Mix it all together, and you can see all that. Look at that. That remind me of the icy gloss, but I'm trying to think about changing the name, because not like icy, but it's like a frosting. You follow me on TikTok. I will show you on that video link down below. So this is what it looks like. It's like metallic gray, like a little Y2K-ish stuff, Y2K girl status. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this glitter. It's like electric Bliss, and I got it on Amazon. I think it could be, you know, the best idea, I guess. But you know, all right. So I'm gonna start using these babies. Not too much, but just a little bit, like a little fairy dust.
Fairy dust? That's not fairy dust.
Oops.
That's glitter.
And down. See that?
Can I mix it up?
So I'm going to use pineapple flavor. I got this on Amazon too. Okay, I'm trying to just, like, it's hard for me to open it, but I love these oils because it smells like soda. I think the black cherry one, that one's the bomb. Like, I love it so much, and it's like heaven. So I'm gonna smell the pineapple. Oh my god, that smells like pina colada.
That's so sweet.
It smells like pina colada. I love these oils, man. So hold on. I'm just going to make a little few drops. I'm gonna let my daughter to do that. So just, you know why? Come on, just try it. Just do like, oh. So I try this again because my daughter just accidentally just spilled it, but it's okay. But I feel like the room smell like pineapple anyway, so.
Let's taste.
No, cannot taste it. So I'm going to mix it. So I'm gonna mix it up very carefully. That's a little bit, but it's okay. I love the smell of it. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I just launched my Etsy shop yesterday. I'm trying to add more listings, and I will start a video on how to start a lip gloss business. If you are 24 or even a teenager, it doesn't matter. It don't even matter. It's like starting a lip gloss business or skincare business is no age limit, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. The one thing about lip gloss is with someone who is allergic to any oils, any flavoring, I will not recommend unless I will find alternative to do so, to try to change the formula. So I'm gonna let my daughter to. Oh no! Just let me show you. Yeah, just like mix it out. I'm trying to teach her, but yeah, I really like that. I really like that lip gloss. I think I'm gonna name like Y2K, or what you guys think? Should I call like a Y2K girl status, or just original glitter gloss? What you guys think? Comment down below. This is the how it look. I believe it's really cute. Lip gloss with glitter, and you know, the only thing I have to do is just put these little lids and put the cap on, and she'll be done. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this lip gloss, and I feel like that glitter gloss is like the best selling. But I'm gonna put this on my Etsy shop. If you could look down below the shop. Support your girl, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.